Before you begin, be sure the car is parked safely and turned off. Always be mindful of hot components like radiator hoses, caps, and other items nearby. Replacement of the air filter for the 2024 Subaru Impreza and similarly the Subaru Crosstrek is one of the easiest of many cars because of the location and the design of the air filter box. Located at the front passenger side of the engine compartment, the air filter box is easily accessed without having to remove any components, and no tools are necessary to change the filter. To remove the old filter, simply release the two clips at the top of the air filter box with your fingers or a screwdriver if necessary. Once released, tilt the top of the air filter box rearward to give access to the filter element. You can now pull the old filter element out and replace it with a new one. Inserting a new filter can take a little care, being sure not to scrape and damage it as you slide it into place. Note that the top of the air filter box is held into place at the bottom with tabs, so be sure it's in the proper alignment or it won't close properly. Once you have the new air filter element in place, you can snug the box closed and secure it into place with the two metal clips. Finish by inspecting to assure that there are no gaps or pinched edges of the filter showing. Then you're done. For more detail, we have additional videos on the 2024 Subaru Impreza. You can find these linked below in the information section or to the right. You can also subscribe to our channel by clicking our logo. Thanks for watching.